Anthony J, you're live streaming.
I'm live streaming at the moment.
Oh,
yes,
we're walking back on a lovely lunch at the Fox.
Oh, the Fox pub. Wow.
Now go all the way back.
So we're on a walk back towards
Back to my flat.
place. Simon is watching. Good afternoon, Simon.
Hi, Simon. It's windy.
Very windy here now in Bognor.
Well, technically it's out. Round the corner, so Bognor.
Felpham at the moment, but we will be back on the boundaries of Bognor Regis now soon enough.
Yeah.
Everywhere's open. Nice.
Yeah, that's the lobster pot.
Ah.
That's the lobster pot. It's nice in there.
Oh, that's a nice little place, yeah. Right. Mark,
Wow.
thank you. How are you doing, Mark?
I'm fine. Oh.
Simon is watching as well. Nice one. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year 2025. Woo.
Let's hope 2025 will be a better year. A better year, please come.
Oh, wow, the last tide to make the shingle come up here.
I say 2024 can go fuck itself now. That's the way I look at it.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I say it.
Oh, yeah. By the Lord Jesus.
Oh, yeah. 2020.
Happy New Year. Hello, hi. You're a lovely little doggy. Yes, you are. You're a little doggy.
2024 can go to hell as far as I'm concerned. Because
at high tide, this is you get soaked along here at high tide. But there's
we
no.
walked along here before, Mark.
Yeah. This is the Beach Fox Hotel. It's another popular hotel. There you get your own little cabin here.
Wow.
You've got a luxury pools. Wow.
Wow.
And there's Ger.
Looks like those people are going out surfing on the water again.
Oh, wow.
Look at this thing.
Wow. I'd just thrown in them.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad I'm not doing that. Are you, Lingy?
I am, Mark. But the only good thing about they have, as your mum was saying earlier on, they have wetsuits on.
Yeah.
Not too bad, you know.
That's true.
Let's see how they get on. Have a look at this.
Yeah, I got to go filming them too.
Yeah.
Wow, windsurfing. I love this too. I'm taking pictures as well.
Yeah.
Wow, there he
Oh,
goes.
there he goes. Already. Wow. That was
Wow.
very good. Wow.
Well, that's awesome.
It's certainly
I'm
is.
taking pictures and videoing at the same time.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that thing.
Brilliant, isn't it? I tell you, they're great guys. They're great.
Isn't that quite experienced, I think?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Well, that he not. I don't know, yeah.
No, he kept up. Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that is
We're
awesome.
right in the air.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
By the Lord Jesus.
Amazing.
Woo, whoosh. Woo, whoosh. Oh, they'll enjoy that.
I don't like that one.
Just don't fall off here, it's a long drop.
See, the thing is, the wind you see is in their favour.
Yeah, that's true.
Look at that is amazing.
And you can tell the tide's coming back in.
It kind of reminds me of the film Jaws. Remember the shark film?
Oh wow, Jaws.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
The little Jaws, the little Jaws. Sharky, sharky doo. Sharky doo. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Sharky, sharky doo. Sharky, sharky doo. Yuck. Right up the book now. Ocean cliffs. Wow. Look at that, Ger.
Yeah, man.
This is at high tide. The waves come up and crash over this
Oh, to
bit.
crash over this thing, yeah.
Wow.
You went this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she looked a wet.
Yeah, you can always come this way to the morning because you know where it is now.
I know where it is, yeah.
There's the distance, the flats are over there. The little dot star, the little dot star. Looks like a dot star. Wow. Ooh. Whoa. It's a bit windy. Nice.